Like a well-oiled machine, DLA is always on, always running, and consists of countless, complex, moving parts, each of which are maintained by trusted personnel. It is imperative that each key player understand their role, their duties, and the processes they will be using regularly, so that we never compromise the supply chain, nor our mission to support the warfighter and our nation. With so much on the line, working with DLA means owning a lot of responsibility. But just as we wouldn't expect someone to operate complicated machinery without a manual, we know that our partners need guidance to succeed. And who are some of our most essential partners? Our vendors, of course. After all, DLA cannot manage an end-to-end global defense supply chain without a ready, reliable supply. We know our vendors aren't just cogs in the wheel. Each and every individual brings specialized expertise and talents to DLA. Still, when just a single DLA awarded contract endows vendors with a slew to take care and keep track of, even the most determined could feel overwhelmed. That is why DLA Aviation has launched a new virtual library for vendors, the Vendor Information Hub. The Vendor Information Hub, or the Hub for short, is a one-stop shop specifically geared towards the needs of DLA Aviation's vendors. With access to self-service tools, instructional material across multiple DoD websites, and more resources being actively developed. The hub is easily accessible at www.dla.mil, search term hub, or by scanning on-screen QR code. Select the top left icon, with 3 horizontal lines, to access the navigation menu on mobile devices. On desktop, notice the left-hand navigation menu is collapsible. By default, the section containing the active web page is expanded. In this case, working with aviation, and the active page is highlighted in blue. In this case, the hub. 2 of the left pane links can also be found at the top of the hub homepage, the table of contents, and contact us pages. We'll explore the TOC shortly, but first, beneath the top navigation is the Select Articles section. The materials showcased here, as designated by leadership, will prove especially helpful to vendors. Across the hub, cards like these provide a brief summary per labeled process when hovered over, as well as a link to full process documentation when clicked. At the bottom of the hub homepage is the Aviation Supplier Operations Commodities Outreach Calendar. This calendar will be updated regularly with upcoming events for vendors, such as webinars and conferences. The Outreach Calendar tab, currently navy blue, can also be toggled to the Past Webinars PDFs tab, currently gray. When selected, this tab provides links to any documents shared during, or as a result of, previous events ordered by published date. Finally, a brief overview of the table of contents. Beneath the header are tools to find materials involving any specific topic. On the left is a quick search bar. To the right, see all vendor processes links to the All Vendor Information page, fully demonstrated in a separate video. Below the search tools is the newest processes section to quickly identify the materials most recently published or updated, and briefly describe the new process or any changes made. Lastly, at the bottom of the table of contents is the All Vendor Processes section, consisting of an alphabetized grid of cards per process. Again, these cards can be hovered over for a gist, or clicked on for full process documentation. This ends the first look at the Vendor Information Hub. The next video will delve into finding relevant information quickly, including a demonstration on effective querying, tips and best practices for reading a process guide top to bottom, as well as contact information and links for other DLA resources outside the hub. Before signing off, remember to bookmark the hub homepage to easily check back for new or updated materials. We look forward to feedback and to helping vendors more and more as the hub grows. Until next time, thank you.